Okay, hey guys, welcome. Here we are at the Belvedere Beer Festival. It's our first festival ever. We're so excited. Everything has worked out so well. We're here on Saturday afternoon, and it's good to have all you guys here with us. Those of you who've come to see us before, we're so excited and happy that you guys were here. You guys have shown us so much support, so much love, and we're so excited that the further success of TIMCO and you guys will be able to get us in lots of different places in the city. We're here with 4 different types of beer, and I've got these beautiful people working here with me. Probably some of you are familiar with our Irish Red beer. That's the one where you can get it in Davy Byrne's Irish Pub. It's a nice caramel, biscuity, bitter, kind of really nice Irish style beer. We're also excited that we have our Frisch, which is the newest beer that we've made, and that's made with basil and lemongrass. It's delicious. It's a really summer feeling beer, not too high in alcohol content. You can drink it all day. It's amazing. Then we also have 2 further beers. That's our Hoppo IPA. If you're a hop head, that's the beer for you. You're really going to like it. It's amazing. And finally, we have our Ilatos Buzo, which is our Belgian-style wheat. It's made with mango and passion fruit. It's unbelievable. It's cool when the weather is nice and warm that you can drink it. And again, you can drink it all day. So if you haven't been here, please come down and see us. We'll be here for the rest of this evening and tomorrow. And if you don't get a chance to come see us, you can always go and look for our beers. Check us out on Facebook. Check us out on Instagram. And I'm even on TikTok. Come out, see us, drink some beer, have some fun. See you soon.